Hey guys, in this video I will be unpackaging and reviewing the pet fountain by Premier Pet. We recently purchased this pet fountain from Walmart for $20, which I would say is a bargain for a pet fountain, and I'm excited to get into it and see how it works. We currently have the Chromius Pet Water Fountain for Mittens and Magnolia, and it has been working great for months. But we decided to go ahead and purchase another pet water fountain to have an additional source of water for them upstairs. Going into the topic of pet water fountains, I would really recommend it because I feel like it would make your cats more inclined to drink water, which of course is an important aspect of their diet as well. This fountain is able to hold 60 ounces of water and features a dual filter system, including an activated carbon filter to remove odors and a foam filter to remove dirt and hair. The fountain creates 4 free-flowing streams, and included with the product comes the pet fountain, 1 foam filter, 1 carbon filter, pump house, power adapter, and product manual. Now, before assembly, all parts of the product should be washed. Besides for the adapter, the pump can be disassembled and washed. To construct the fountain, the pump should be installed in the pump house along with the sponge filter and placed in the center of the fountain. Next, thread the wire through the back of the fountain. Make sure to plug the stopper in tightly to prevent water from leaking. Finally, add the carbon filter and fill the fountain to the max line with water. Now you can add the lid and plug in the fountain to get it started. I'm happy with how the fountain works, and I think the kitties like it too. I would definitely recommend it.